Hi everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 5 notebooks of 2022. So before starting, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. 5. Asus ROG Zephyrus G15. At just over £4, the Zephyrus G15 is one of the lightest 15-inch gaming laptops you can buy. But you're not compromising performance for that portability. The G15 is powered by the top mobile chips AMD and Nvidia have to offer, and pairs them with a fast 165Hz QHD display. In our testing, the system was able to handle even the toughest AAA titles at QHD resolution. If you're looking for a high-powered gaming machine that also works great as a daily driver, the Zephyrus G15 should be at the top of your list. 4. HP Spectre X36014. It's hard to come up with a single complaint about the Spectre X36014. It's a drop-dead gorgeous machine with a sturdy build and a premium look and feel. But the Spectre X36014 isn't just pretty to look at. It's also a pleasure to use as a daily work driver. Intel's latest 11th gen processors and Iris X integrated graphics deliver snappy performance with no slowdown or freezes that we observed. And we got an average of 10 hours of battery life out of the device, one of the best results we've ever seen. On the outside, the Spectre includes a roomy 3:2 display, and if FHD resolution doesn't suit your fancy, there are OLED and 1000 nit options available. There's even a packaged stylus, which attaches magnetically to the side of the Spectre, handy if you're using the device as a tablet. Pretty much every other aspect of this laptop, from its comfortable keyboard and smooth touchpad to its bass-heavy audio and practical port selection, rivals or exceeds the best convertibles on the market. But the Spectre X36014 is the new gold standard of Windows convertibles. 3. MacBook Pro 14inch. If you're a creative professional who doesn't quite want to pay the price of the MacBook Pro 16, or you're looking for something more compact, you're probably better suited to the 14-inch MacBook Pro. This device is thinner, lighter, and less expensive than its 16-inch counterpart, but it comes with the same monstrous processor options and the same stellar screen, albeit at a smaller size. We didn't see much of a difference in benchmark scores between the 14-inch and 16-inch MacBooks with the same processors. The 14-incher actually outperformed the 16-inchers in some of our tests. The primary difference to consider, apart from the sizes of these devices, is battery life. On the outside, Apple has fixed many of the issues that reviewers had with previous MacBook Pro models. There are ports galore on this device, including an HDMI, an SD slot, and multiple Thunderbolt 4 ports. The much maligned Touch Bar is also no more. 2. MacBook Pro 16inch. The 16-inch MacBook Pro is the most powerful laptop Apple has ever made. If you're willing to pay the price, and it's a steep price, you'll almost certainly be satisfied with what this machine can do. The battery life is also record-shattering. The 16-inch configuration with the M1 Pro processor lasted 16 hours in my testing, making it the longest-lasting laptop we've ever reviewed. The M1 Max configuration doesn't last quite as long, but still got us through a workday. Elsewhere, we have basically no complaints about the newest MacBook Pro. It has a gorgeous display that can reach 1000 nits when playing HDR content. It pairs that with the best set of speakers we've ever heard from a laptop. 1. MacBook Air. The MacBook Air, powered by Apple's M1 processor, is the best laptop you can buy. The base model, which includes 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, starts at $999. But the new processor is the star of the show here. It's fast. In our testing, it handled intense photo and video editing workloads better than almost any Intel-powered laptop we've tried this year. It was also able to run Shadow of the Tomb Raider at close to playable frame rates, which is quite a feat for integrated graphics. At launch, these apps hadn't yet been optimized for the M1 processor and were running through Apple's Rosetta 2 translation layer, but they still worked fine. And the processing power didn't even weigh down the battery life. We got between 8 and 10 hours of sustained work. Thanks for watching.